to stay outside and explore. Today we are going to Fleet Farm. I have to get some chicken feed and some water softener salt. As you can see, I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but we got a little snow flurry action going on today, April 22nd, and we're still got snow. I don't know if we're ever gonna get warm weather. We had it for about a week there 2 weeks ago or something like that, and it's been downhill since. I think we're just gonna go from winter to summer, and we just don't have no spring. So yeah, I want to start doing some yard work, but it's, you know, in the 30s, so I don't know. Nice view of the lake. Too cold for anybody to go fishing in a boat, but we're on our way to the store. Alright, so I got my chicken feed, which was on sale, and then I got my water softener salt, which was on sale. And yeah, as you can see, the garden center is all prepared, but it's too cold to do any gardening, so we'll just have to wait. I think next week they say it's supposed to warm up a little bit, so all right, we'll just pause this video and we'll be on to something else. All right, I got all my chicken feed in the garbage can. That's where I keep it, so I keep the rodents out. So I bought 100 pounds. It was on sale, so this should last me for a little while. I have 8 chickens. So on to the next project. All right, the next project, using my Milwaukee little portable chainsaw, we're gonna trim this. Trim it down before it starts leaking out. I did a video of unboxing this. You should go check that out. This thing works really nice. I really like this. All right, I'm gonna turn you guys off for a little bit, and I'll show you the end, what it's all done. All right, that didn't take very long with that little Milwaukee mini chainsaw. The thing is you might think that I trimmed this down too far. This grows really fast. I bet in 2 or 3 years it'll be almost up to where I just trimmed it. And the thing is once it leaves out, and at nighttime when this light is on, you can't even see, because the light is bouncing off the green leaves and everything like that. So that's why I trim it down. And it's just good, you know, to trim a lot of stuff down. But now that was the easy part. Now the other part is to drag all this stuff back to the burn pile, but that's okay. So yeah, that's what that little mini chainsaw, I really like that. And the thing is when I used it, I don't know if you can see it, but I only used one light on there, so I got like 3 lights left, so I barely even use it. It says the battery will last like up to 120 cuts, and I know I didn't do that. And then I have another backup battery just in case. So yeah, it's snowing, but still got to do some yard work because pretty soon it's going to leaf out, because a lot of the trees like that one over there and that one over there are starting to leaf out a little bit, and I don't want to do that because then it's just one more thing. So yeah, that's that for now. So we'll continue on. I'll show you when it's all cleaned up. Okay, got it all cleaned up. It didn't take too long. It was no big hurry. Got all the branches, put them in the burn pile, but I'm not going to burn anything yet today because it's a little windy out and I don't want to start any other fires that I can't control. So yeah, this went really well. I like that little saw, and I'll have some more cutting with that thing because there's going to be a lot of tree trimming. So my next project, I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I need to do it. Hang on. Is to get this all cleaned up and back in shape so I can start working on my chainsaw. I need to sharpen the saw, but that'll be for another video. You know, I just didn't put anything away, so now it's time to put the stuff away where it properly belongs. And yeah, this is a bad habit to get into, just putting tools, just throwing them. I know everybody does it, but I need to get this all back to where it all belongs, and then when I need a tool, I can go to that area and I can get that tool. So yeah, that's going to be another project that I can tackle, and so I can start working too on a lot of the small engines. I have a bunch of lawnmowers and stuff that I need to work on and get those up and running. I got an old school lawnmower. I can't wait to get that up and running. It's the old school where there's no lever by the handle. It's a cable or throttle by the engine, and everything is pretty much steel. There's hardly any plastic on it, not like the ones that are being built today. So, but yeah, I think that should do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. I really do. And if you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe. And I will have some more videos coming out. Thanks for watching.